Hey everybody, it's Roland Real with Complete Trader Academy with another daily review. Today is December 22, Thursday, and let's hop right into it here. Beautiful day in the market. This is the candle right here. And as we discussed previously yesterday, price went up into that imbalance and hit this supply, hit this support resistance, and then sank from here. Didn't even decide to go up a little bit. And shot for a target. I was shooting for this, but when it reacted in here, which you'll see in a moment, it reacted pretty well. And let's go into it here with a 5-minute here. So I think I'm gonna even stop for the rest of the week or even the year, because this was an amazing. I didn't expect this to all happen in the same day, but beautiful. So let's start here. We woke up. Remember, previous day we had that gap. So remember, they didn't take that gap out. So there was a dangling carrot, right? And our intention was to go up in here anyway, which was that imbalance. If you watched the previous video, please make sure you watch previous videos so this makes sense. But so Asia, so this is today. So Asia opened up, right? And not really doing much, but then this took out, I believe this took out the high. And then it started breaking and breaking and breaking and breaking, and structure was already forming for you. That's why I keep telling people, please just watch. Well, you got to see what Asia and London does when you wake up. I don't know where you're trading, but for me, I'm in the East Coast time, so I'm not waking up before 7 o'clock. And I don't care about trading Asia or London. So it's one of my rules, and I stick to it, right? But and you don't need to. Look at this, how beautiful this is. Just amazing. I'm going to zoom in, super zoom in for you, just so you can see this. It's hard to not see it like this. All right, you see this here? Very simple. Look at the time right now. Time is 6:30 in the morning, 7:30. Now it's becoming 8:10. So when this candle, so watch the order, watch the flow of structure. This is all a structure move. So structure, break one, break, wait, sorry. Break one, break two, and I got in right here. As soon as it hit this block, I was in. Because I could have got in here when the price reversed or broke, and that's not enough confirmation because it's sitting right here at a demand. But when it did two breaks, I said, you know what, we're in. Because why? What's the main reason why I would have said yes to this trade? Well, because you are A, bearish, B, you had a retracement and you have accomplished what you needed to do in this imbalance. And this is as cliche as it sounds, the trend is your friend. Literally, you're already in a bearish trend and you broke this low. So when this was broken and I saw this, that was a giveaway to say, hey, just keep following with the trend. And I couldn't believe how much it sank on. I was like, oh my God, this is amazing. So beautiful day. And then here, look at this. So, and I may be talking too much or showing too much, but if you watch, I'm gonna go to the hour. When the price, because it kept sinking, right? There was no retracement, there was nothing. It just kept sinking. Look what the price hit. It literally hit this demand area. To the T. Look at the numbers up here. Look at the numbers up here. Look at the high of this candle. 32,575. What's the low of this candle? 32,570. So it purged it by 5 points, and 5 points is nothing, right? So this is, and then you saw the reaction. Now I didn't get in right here. I waited for order flow. So this is, because sometimes I'll get in when it touches, but that's not enough for me. So, and I'm not going to go into this. This is on a 1 minute, but basically you saw order flow and this respecting and then breaking up, and then you had a retrace, perfect support resistance or order flow as far as getting into a demand block. And if you watched yesterday's video, I said, I don't believe in support resistance. I didn't mean it to the literally. I just meant that in general, we don't follow it. We only follow it like for a higher time frame. Me specifically, right? So higher time frame meaning like this. Like this is obviously a big break, and then you're looking for this to be support and this become resistance. So you can also follow support resistance on like the order flow here. Like you can do that. Yes, absolutely. But it's not my main idea of is where's the money at? Where's the liquidity? That's what you have to think like. Anyways, so took this trade up, and then so where was I taking this? Well, if I go show you back to 1 hour, look at this. This would be a considered support resistance as well. This is also called a mitigation or a a or a bearish block. So meaning when the price comes back, it mitigates this whole area, and it's accomplished its agenda as far as buyers or sellers remorse goes. So it didn't tap it, and I took it, but when it failed and it didn't touch it, I was like, I'm done, because my intention is to still take this, is to still be bearish and come take this low out. So I got both these. I mean, I think this was like 700 points, and this was like I think this was like another 500 or something like the silly 400. So amazing day. And now as far as tomorrow goes, here's the thing. When it reacted the way it reacted from this area, it is possible that we see one more drive up. It is to seal, not only to seal this, but to get in here. So I don't know if that's the case. So obviously it's either gonna, this is a high probability here, or we open up, we just retrace a little bit, and then we continue to take out this low. So obviously those are the two options. And the only reason why I'm saying like that is because the way it reacted here. So we'll see. But we got money here, we got money here. Now we got this low. So I'm gonna just draw it so you can see it. And yeah, that's it. So all right, you guys take care. God bless.